Hi, everybody. My name is Darren Flake, and I'm going to be your academic coach for this class. And just want to share a short video and bio with all of you so that you get to know me a little bit better and you come to know that there is a person behind the name on the computer. So I'm really looking forward to working with all of you. So here's my short biography. So, my personal background, I grew up in Centerville, Utah. I received an undergraduate degree at Utah State University in business administration with a minor in Mandarin Chinese. After graduating, I worked for a couple of years at a branch as a branch operations manager for a building supply company. I then went on to get my master's in business administration, my MBA from Arizona State University with an emphasis in accounting and finance. I then moved to Lubbock, Texas to begin my a job with the federal government as a bank examiner for the FDIC, and I've been an examiner ever since. But along that time, I've also been involved in teaching online as well. I currently live in Sugar Land, Texas, which is just outside of Houston. I've taught online courses for the University of Phoenix, for BYU Idaho. For the past 10 years, I've also facilitated in person courses for Kaplan University. I've taught a wide variety of courses: accounting, finance, management, economics, and leadership courses. I'm currently working on becoming a certified public accountant, and I anticipate starting my doctoral studies in the near future. As far as family, along the way, I was blessed to get married, and I have six boys and a little girl. We love spending time together and being in the great outdoors. We go camping, fishing, hiking, and we love to play soccer together. We also have a small farm where we grow fruit and vegetables, and we raise chickens for both meat and eggs. Here's some of the hobbies that I enjoy doing. I love reading, hiking, camping, playing sports, and running, taking care of our farm, and biking. And I also really love to travel. Unfortunately, with COVID, we didn't go on any big trips over the last year, but in the past, we've gone on a cruise to Alaska and the Caribbean, and I've also been to Spain and Florida. So that's my short bio. I really look forward to working with all of you, and I wish you luck during this class.